Okay, so double digit multiplication today is what we're looking at. You're going to need to know this. You're going to be tested on it. It's going to come up all the time. It's not hard. There's only one little factor that you really need to remember, and it's the zero. If you remember the zero, you can't go wrong. You also need to know your times tables pretty well. Okay, so we start on this side in the units column, tens column, hundreds. We'll go 5 times 4 is 20. We put the 0 down of the 20, put the 0 down and carry the 2 up to here. Then we go 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 2 is 7. Sorry, 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 2 is 27. So the 7 goes down, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 2 is 17. And you'll notice that this 1 is over here, which would be in the thousands column. So keep them all lined up, very important. Now, because I'm working with this 2 now, that's in the tens column. I'm going to just say 2 times 2 times 2 times, but because it's in the tens column, its value is 20. So we put a 0 down here, and that will mean that we're actually multiplying by 20 realistically. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 0 goes down, carry the 1, 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. So there's my 2 answers for 5 times and for actually what is 20 times. Alrighty? Now I'm looking at, I've got my 2 answers, now I add them up and I go 0 times 0 plus 0, 7 plus 8 is 15, carry the 1, 7 plus 0 plus 1 is 8, 1 and 7 is 8. Okay, so that's my answer. 0, very important. I'll show you another way to go about that. We'll get some new numbers up here. And we'll go 426 times 34. Okay, so again, starting on this side, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 goes down, carries the 2 of the 24. Okay, so my answer, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 goes in the units column, and the 2 goes into the next column. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 is 10. So the 0 goes down, carry the 1. 4 by 4 is 16, plus the 1 is 17. Again, I'll push that across into the column, next column. Because I'm starting here in the tens column, my first answer that I use, the 3, 4, is going to be in the tens column. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 goes down, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. So the 12 will go like that. Now, tens column, I started my answers in the tens column. I've left a gap here, which is where the 0 would go. In adding it up, I could put the 0 in if I wanted to, or I could leave it. I like to put it in myself. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 and 7 is 14. 4 goes down, carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 is 4. And 1 is 1. So my answer there is 14,484. This is the key. Forget it, you'll get it wrong. Remember it, you're well on your way to getting it right. Good luck.